How to manage Gmail storage. Your Google account gives you 15 GB of free space, but that is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos as well. Now, there are a few things that you can do, which is you need to clean up some storage. As Google account occupies between these three applications, you can first of all head over to your Gmail, and from this section you can delete data that you no longer need or emails that you no longer need. For example, you can search up something like this, which is larger than 10 MB. It is going to show you all of the emails that currently are holding space larger than 10 MB. You can select those data that you don't need and then remove it from this section. Once you click on delete, it is going to be taken to the bin section. Make sure you remove it from bin as well. Ensure that it is completely removed from your Google storage as well. Also, you can try out deleting older data by using this search feature or filter that Gmail provides. What this is going to do is only provide emails or search up emails that are older than 1 year. You can also do 2 years or maybe even 3 years. So you can find out all of the emails that are older and that you don't need to clear up some space inside of Gmail. You can now try deleting data from your Google Drive as well as Google Photos. So head over to each one of these and make sure you remove or delete these pictures or videos that you no longer need. Pictures or videos are important. Make sure you remove them to a different place so that you can clear up some space. Now, if you don't have much data that you can remove, the only thing that you can do here is upgrade. If you have storage space filled up and it is exceeding the 15 GB limit, you will need to buy more space in order to store more data inside of your Google account. Or you can also create a new Google account. That way you're going to get more 15 GB free storage. So these are the few things that you can do in order to manage Gmail storage. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.